Good afternoon, my name is Matthew Sousa. I'm one of the general managers here at Grieco Toyota. I would highly recommend AutoStaff for any employee needs inside the dealership. We were struggling to get anyone through the door in a sales position with COVID and folks sitting at home. We actually had 57 interviews. Out of the 57 interviews, we narrowed it down to 12 folks, did some training, and then we ended up hiring 8 out of that group. On top of that, we also hired 3 office staff personnel. Again, I would highly recommend Ken from AutoStaff with any of your hiring needs inside the dealership.